Hi guys, it's Shell, Sunbury Housewives, and welcome back to another DIY. This is another bedroom DIY for my makeover series. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Hit the subscribe button if you'd like. Hit the bell if you'd like a notification. Today I am making a faux wrought iron frame decor. Let's get into the video. So what I needed was part of this fence and a frame that I had on hand. So I'm going ahead and taking off the plastic and removing the canvas. I didn't need to remove the staples because you're not going to see the back. So I'm just going to take my straight edge and cut the frame off. Now I did keep the canvas part of it because you never know what you could use it for. And I did say cut the frame off. I meant cut the canvas off. So this canvas, I believe, is a 7 by 14, 7 by 11. I don't remember. I've had it for so long. When I was into painting canvases in Walmart, I think I got this one at, had them super cheap for like two for like $5 maybe. I don't remember, but I'm just ripping off the edge of the remaining canvas. So now that I got that off, I am cutting down the fence just to get the little swirly parts, as you can see, and I am going to connect the two little swirlies parts together to make these almost like heart shapes. Well, you can see what I'm doing. I am horrible at explaining. So I flipped that over and I'm gonna glue the 4 pieces together to make one piece. And then I'm gonna make 2 sets of these. Here I'm showing you that piece right there I wanna cut out to make that. And then I'm going to score it to the length that I need. Now, the little swirl part on there is a little bit bigger than the inside of the frame, but that's okay. It still fit. So here I'm making the other set that I needed at the other end. And for some reason, I had to cut that out because this video would have been 2 hours long. I had trouble with the swirls, figuring out which ones went where. Well, I guess I didn't cut that part out. I had all these little swirls there, and I just, for some reason, I kept grabbing the wrong ones or cutting the wrong ones. So, yeah, I was frustrating myself. I wish I'd grabbed so much more of these fence because now I can't find them anywhere. And I love how this looks like wrought iron. So now I'm fitting where I want it all to go to make sure that it actually fits. And now I just love how this looks. It looks like wrought iron, and I love the framed wrought iron. So I'm painting this, I don't even know what color because I mixed 2 different paints together, and it's kind of like an ivory color. And I am going to paint the wrought iron part a black. It's already black, but I wanted it more of a deeper black, if that makes sense. It does to me. But I really liked how once it dried, it was more of a matte black, but a deeper matte black. I don't know, it makes sense. So I took a silver, the hazelnut, and the truffle color, and I just am distressing the frame a bit. And then I took that silver and also distressed just a little bit on the wrought iron as well. Once everything was dry, I went ahead, flipped the frame over, and then I glued the fence to the frame. It did take a while to set up, and I did have to stick something underneath the fence part just to give it, because I wanted it in the middle of the frame. So it did take a while to do that because I wanted it just right in the middle of the frame. And here I'm connecting that cross piece from one side to the next. And I did make sure that any of the pieces that connected to each other, that I hot glued really well to each other so that it wasn't going anywhere. And here it is, you guys. It turned out so good that I even made a second one. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.